Hey makers, it's Charlotte, and today I have Matt, our in-house skin and hair care expert with me. We're gonna be talking about some tools that you can use to make your own skin and hair care products in your very own kitchen. Give us the rundown, Matt.
Thanks for the intro, Charlotte. So despite what you might think, you don't need lab-grade equipment and tools to make lab-quality skincare and hair care products. You can use equipment that's gonna be found in most kitchens. Starting from that side, we have a standard digital thermometer. This model that we offer on our website actually is very useful because it comes with this clip that you can attach like that on the side of your vessel, which is our 4-pound pouring pitcher. What you'll notice is that clip is there. It's gonna keep the thermometer fixed when you wanna start mixing. It's not gonna be flying around while you're spinning the product. Next on the line, we have just a standard silicone spatula. Any shape is great. They're really perfect for making sure you really scrape the edges of your vessel when you're done with your product and pouring it out.
One thing I love about silicone too is it's really easy to clean.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so once you're done making, this wipes off super easily. If you're making something with color, it doesn't show up on this, so it's a great all-around tool to have in your maker's toolkit.
Yes, it serves a purpose in almost any kind of formulation you would want to make. Further down the line, we have a kitchen scale. This scale actually goes up to 5,000 grams or 5 kilograms before it airs, and it has precision down to 2 decimal places, which is really important for skincare because you have some ingredients that are so concentrated and powerful, you only need a fraction of a percent to actually get the benefits.
My favorite.
I was like, yeah, we probably should have started with these. Safety first. Everyone loves super stylish eye protection. You'll notice that when you want to start mixing your product in the pitcher, sometimes you'll see some splashback from our hand mixer. This is also a model that we offer on our website. This is great for making all kinds of lotions, creams, and gels that you might want to make. The last thing we have on the table is some plastic pipette droppers. These are great for really fine and delicate materials where you're only adding 1 to 3 milliliters at a time in a drop-like fashion.
There you have it, guys. These are the tools that you need to get started making your own skin and hair care products. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching.